Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Well, as usual, we will talk about the euro currency. Happy Thanksgiving everybody. Well, due to this holiday, today's market will be thin, so maybe it's better choice to spend some time with your family. But still, for the lonely souls, maybe this analysis will be useful and probably somebody of you will use it to continue the trading with the current bearish environment on the daily time frame. Well, in general, you can see that our trading plan for the current week currently holds well. What we see, we said that this is some kind of price action that suggests the continuation move to the downside, since this was the bearish consolidation after breakout of the 618 resistance that was around that area. I don't have it on this chart, but if you looked at our yesterday's analysis, you remember that here is the 618 resistance area. So market has accelerated to the downside and has reached next area of support. This is weekly pivot point supports right here, also the 786 FIB support 133.77. But in general, you can see that 100% extension target from that pattern A, B, C, top. Market hit 618 retracement, continuation to the downside, stands a bit lower in agreement with the 88 FIB support around 132.67. Also, just below the 133 area stands monthly pivot support 1. That is an area, the next target that market probably should reach. And I think that it hardly will be some significant resistance before market will hit that target. Also, our market currently is neither at oversold nor at overbought, so it's no barriers to continue move to the downside further. In the medium term perspective, as you remember our weekly research, we said on the weekly analysis that market at minimum should take out that low is around 131.50, because currently on the weekly time frames negative dynamic pressure, bearish dynamic pressure is forming, so it suggests acceleration to the downside. In the short term perspective, that is our next target. As I said, probably market will not show any significant retracement before hit it. Well, the major context for the trading for the today's trading session stands at the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame, what do we see? First of all, that is our butterfly that we have discussed during the week. That is left wing, okay, right wing. You can see that market hasn't quite reached the 133 area, the 1618 extension from the butterfly reversal pattern. Also, we know that 100% extension target stands even lower. It's around 132.50 area. It's right here. And now you can see that market has turned to some retracement. So very probable that this retracement hardly will be reversal retracement or significant retracement. This is probably some kind of profit taking, and probably market could show nice context for the Jordan Napoli bread and butter sell. Even more, I suppose that this bread and butter sell will have the target not just the 618 support from that counter move against the major trend, okay, but probably this bread and butter sell could lead us to the continuation move to the downside further, at least to the 133 area, where the 1618 target of the butterfly stands. Potential reversal point. The potential levels where market could reverse back to the downside is the first area 133.81 was right here, but more probable that market will reach that area. Since today is the thin market in the United States, will have a rest, and probably market could continue some deeper retracement and profit taking to the 134.14, 134.18 area of confluence resistance. That is also the previous area of consolidation. It's right here. Okay, you can see that support, hit, retracement again, touch again, breakout. Maybe market could reach that area. If market will reach that area, we should drop our time frame to the probably 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart to watch for the sell signals around that level. Okay, maybe the market will form some ABCD with the agreement with that area. Well, anyway, if market will reach that area during 1, 2 or 3 bars on the 4-hour time frame, then probably this will be nice potential context for the entry on the short side of the market from that area with the continuation to the downside. Well, the minimum target will be the 618 support of that retracement, but since major targets stand below that low, as the butterfly target is 133 sharp, as the target of the ABCD pattern on the daily time frame, then probably market will could continue even further to the downside. Well, that's very probable. Well, that's all for today. I think it's not a bad idea to take the rest and spend your time around your closest people. Well, still, if you would like to make some trades during today's day, well, probably it's not a bad idea to watch for this area around 134.14, 134.18 for the potential sell signals, since this is nice context for the Napoli directional bread and butter sell trade.